Hey guys, welcome back to JetPrint PLD channel. This is Mabeka. Today I would like to share with you our clogs. But before we go any further, let me ask a question. Do you know how much this clog costs? Yeah, we will give you the answer at the end of this video. Now, let's get in a result. These clogs use the EVA upper with non-slip effect, breathable materials, and support all-over print. The signature horse on top of these clogs aren't just part of the aesthetic, they also let out moisture and keep your feet ventilated during long periods of wear. Each pair also utilizes lightweight materials like EVA for a more comfortable fit. By the way, the non-slip effect of our clogs can be worn on rainy days or in the living room. JetPrint also supports clogs with black soles, flight clogs, or if you have other ideas, leave a comment in this video below. Choosing from a wide range of colors, patterns, and designs to showcase your personality, from classic black clogs to a colorful one. Clog footwear is super versatile with unisex styles and children's sizes available. You can design the image of basketball, beautiful landscape, flowers, and lyric, etc. If possible, designing a story about you and your pet is also a great option, so you can wear your clogs almost everywhere. But where to wear clogs? Maybe family beach days, in the garden, shopping trips, and so on. Pick pairing your favorite shade or print to showcase your true sense of style. Okay, that's all for today. Did you guess the price of these clogs? Yeah, just need $10. In the next video, we will bring a new product. Yeah, it is basketball. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information.